Blup, 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 blup. Where's the keys? Where's the keys? No leak. No leak. No. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Wake up in the morning, I got my dirt on my mind. Mr. Ware. Hey. What the deuce is going on? I had 2 of these, and I dropped one, and I've been looking for 20 minutes, and I cannot seem to find it anywhere. If you see it, let me know, because I just cannot seem to find that little bolt. I've looked everywhere. It seems to be gone. please help me find it. These are all the places it could be. I've been looking for this little rotor bolt now for 20 minutes. Just to go inside my truck and check the box for it to come with new hardware. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, God. So, I don't remember what wires go to where. So, we're gonna guess. It's probably wrong, but we're gonna send it to a little pump and then... Oh! I don't know what just happened, but that was the loudest thing I've ever heard. So we're gonna try it again. Oh my God, what the hell? So I had the 6-cylinder on the 4th coil and the 4th on the 6th, and then, or the 2 on the 4. I really don't know, but it was kind of sick because it shot a fireball. So I almost thought about leaving it, but I realized I don't want to blow it up. But it should start now. No fireball. Right up. Right up. Oh. 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 Oh no. Well, that's because she's a piece of shit, not because my coil wires are mixed up. I got the thingy back on. The clamp broke and so did that. But we're going to try it anyways. I don't really know at this point, but oh, I'm just so tired. Oh yeah. Oh my God, it sounds so good. Is it leaking gas? It's leaking a little bit of gas. Just a little bit. I mean, she's leaking just a tad bit of gas. But that's like a drop every, let's count. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Every like 5 seconds she drips gas. We do not care. Oh, don't lock myself out. Jesus. Point is that she's on and running, boys. She's on and running. Oh my God. You already know I wanna love you. Oh, we're gonna play bumper cars. Oh yeah. We're gonna do a little swerving. Oh, she handles me. I'm not gonna lie, this is a bad idea, but we're gonna do it anyway. All right, here we go. We're in 2nd gear. Watch her go. Woo, baby! Yeah, she got it in her. This is a bad idea, but oh no! Oh my God! Oh my God, that was a bad idea. Dude, holy shit, the whole rear end just lost it. Oh my God, and I think I just saw an old lady on the phone with the cops. I ain't gonna lie.